Okay guys, so we finally have arrived at our beautiful destination situated on the Wild Coast, the Cobb Inn Hotel. And what a beautiful place, right against the sea, and just bubbling with excitement to get a line in the water and see if we can't go tight as soon as possible. Exploring some potential spots nice and near to the hotel, see if we can't suss out the situation and get an idea for the days ahead.
So we found this promising looking spot here on the rocks and we made a good couple of casts. Unfortunately, no fish, no bites. So we decided to move over here to the sand, see if anything was biting. Thus the race begins to see who's gonna catch a fish first. Guys, we really hope you enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, the Shane is on. I think it might be a small cobby this. Don't slackline him, you're gonna lose him. Okay guys, Shannon caught a small sandy, like tiny little one. And then I only recorded up until she went to go fetch it at the shoreline, and then for some reason the video stopped. But these things happen. I told her she needs to catch another one to show you guys, but like she listens to me ever.
He failed as a cameraman for his own YouTube channel. That's the point.
And there's a like a chocker bait, guys. We came across a local fisherman who suggested that we try a spot near the Jujura River, further away from the hotel, and so we decided to explore. Oh, on the spot, on the spot. Nah, I just got a good cast. Into this gully, got the place. That's fine. Wait for the wave to pull him back. Hold ya. Yeah. I'm watching. Sandy! Sandy! Yeah. Yeah. It's better than the other one you got. Hold on, here it comes, here it comes. Well done, my baby. That's a lekker one, eh?
Ja, beter one.
Well done.
Thanks for helping me there.
Pleasure. Well done, baby. Woo woo. Yeah. That's worth it when you catch a fish. Yeah.
Oh guys, I was busy. I was busy tying a trace, and Shane's just gone on with what looks like a beast. She's full bent, full bent. Whoop. Jesus! No, that ain't no small fish. Yeah, I'm recording. Shane's just got full bent, guys.
I told you this gully, babe. I thought I was getting a good bite.
Take your time, you got him, you got him. No, just leave him like that. Leave him like that.
You hear that rod screaming?
That was crazy.
That's exactly how it took off. Like chilling there. It's hard to know.
Huh?
This is my bicep is burning.
Take your time, you got him.
And
Yeah,
it's
he's
small
coming.
hooks, so I don't want to
Yeah, you can't pressure him too much with those small hooks. If you can, babe, start walking this way slowly.
Okay. I want
What if you haven't got a sandy on you or something?
I don't know. Ooh, listen, I had slack line and it just went screaming.
No, I'm just recording the water here.
I just need to cover the elbows.
Yes, it's really the way it's boxing, it might just be. I just worry about the rocks here. I can see him in those rocks.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
What is it?
I can't see him, I can just see the line.
Should I start walking that to that little sandy piece there?
Yeah, I would do that.
Okay, you need to move
Keep
before me.
I was gonna hold on to you.
Go.
You know the drill, eh? If you start feeling the rocks, let him swim himself out.
What is it?
I don't see anything. Ow!
Can I feel the rocks?
Why do I have pluckies on?
Yeah, I know, right? Feel the rocks. I'm just waiting for him to swim more. I hope he's still on.
Hold ya. Pop that in your pocket. Yeah, I'm going for a walk. Come closer. Oh yeah, it's a sandy, babe. Yeah. Feels like a cheating. Slowly, you gotta rock. I need to try and keep my balance. There we go, guys.
Oh wow, I've never seen the Sandshark before. Yeah, they got no teeth.
Yo, babe.
Listen,
On that little rod.
On this rod, I can put this in my pocket.
Yeah, look at his little mouth. It looks like a manta ray.
That is so cool. Woo! On this rod, baby. You
Yeah,
don't
I
want to
thought you
know.
had the cob of a lifetime here.
But did you see how that thing fought, eh?
Yeah, it was fighting you proper.
That's a Sandshark, guys.
Which part is it?
Yeah.
Foul
What's on top of
looking,
his
that's
They're
eyes?
foul looking.
What's on top?
Yeah, and there's this.
His eyes underneath it.
Like I said, I just had slack line.
Hey, what's on top of him? Let's see. That's Oh, how there's his eyes on the top and underneath his mouth and his gills.
And then what's on top of his eye?
Eyelids.
Listen,
No, so sharks have
you
two
don't
eyelids.
understand what that feels like on this rod.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Hold it. Yeah. David, hold it by its tail and underneath his belly. Hagen, show them how.
Support it like it, yeah.
Wow, guys, hold
Wow, what
the
a
tail.
sandy, eh? Oh, that little rod.
How cool, hey?
Wow.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Who else wants to hold it?
I'm gonna hold it.
Feel you on the ridge of his back.
Is it so cool, guys? Who else wants to hold it? Don't keep it out the water too long. Hurry up.
Go like this, go smooth ease. And go back that way.
Wow, it's got like spots there. You can let it go now. Okay.
Okay, you want to release it? You want to go help release it?
There's your fish.
Thank you.
You want to go help the lady?
I have
Go with her. You can go with her. You can go with her, boys. Don't slip. Glasses will be gone.
Yeah, I'm also eyeballing it at the moment.
Listen, that thing on that rod. You don't even.
It's a worthwhile fight, eh?
Yeah, it was a lack of fight.
Well done.
Goodbye, Sandra.
So bye bye.
On 6.
find his way out.
little baited now.
Probably gonna chill a little bit.
Yeah,
He's
catch his
tired.
breath.
He'll swim out when he's ready.
The way you saying this, you know what that felt like, you know what he went through.
He was just swimming and then all of a sudden.
Yeah, he's just chilling there.
You see him there? Stand up a little bit higher, then you'll see him. He's very camouflaged. He looks like the same color as the sand. Yeah. Careful. He's right in front of you.
Like literally. Okay.
You see him. Careful.
He's
So
going.
this rock's with
Yeah,
flockies
there he
on.
goes.
Yeah, the 7, yeah, no, that was a attachment.
No, I haven't
Why is it so yellow?
Well done, babe.
Because it's yellow when
Thank
it touches
you.
the sand. You know why?
On that rod, I was not expecting that.
You know why? You change the color.